Misa. No matter how big or small a family is, almost every day is full of things to do and things to do around the house. Misa is a robot friend who will help you stay on top of everything and not feel overwhelmed by how much you must do. That said, Misa is a toy that can keep your child busy for a long time. Misa will talk to the child while their parents are engaged in work or other things, dance and play many fun games with the child that help them grow and learn. Besides this, the robot has many other valuable features. For example, Misa can act as an intelligent speaker, turn on an alarm clock, set a timer, find information on the internet, tell you about it, book a hotel, or suggest a recipe. During the day, you can send a robot around the house to check on things. The robot has a built-in camera and a sound recorder so the owner can see and hear what's going on at home while away. You can also make video calls and watch movies with Misa. You can even set it up to help older people by reminding them when it's time to take their pills. The Misa travels around the house on its own, seeing any obstacles and going around them. It will cost you at least $400 to have Misa. Hiwonder SpiderPi. This toy is intelligent and fun at the same time, says the company that makes SpiderPi in China called Hiwonder. The device could teach the person who owns it how to program. It has a high-resolution camera that can recognize colors and help keep track of things. The robot uses ultrasonic waves to find obstacles and get around them. It also allows people to follow lines and pictures. If you know how to use SpiderPi, it can be a fun toy you'll never get tired of. The robot has many uses, and with the help of coding, it can be taught to do many different tricks. You can buy it for $580. Rolling Terra-Sect Lizard. Even though this radio-controlled toy won't teach you anything new, it will keep a child busy and replace a few other toys. The Terra-Sect Lizard secret is that you can use it in two different ways. It rides like a regular car when it's straight, but when it's bent, it starts to roll like a wheel and can get over obstacles and stairs. Starting price is $18. HHD H6. We're willing to bet that RC toy fans will love the following product. Why? Well, because it combines two toys into one. You don't have to choose. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle that can quickly change into a drone with just a few adjustments. At the same time, the car's wheels are also the drone's propellers. But that's not all the toy has going for it. It has a high-quality camera that can take photos and videos. The picture is sent to the owner's smartphone in real time through Wi-Fi. Some might think that this feature doesn't matter because it's impossible to get a clear view from a moving non-professional drone. But you'd be wrong, because the developers have made it so that the drone can hover still in the air, so there are no vibrations. You can control the device with a special remote or the smartphone again. The battery has enough power to fly for 8 minutes or ride on the ground for 15 minutes. The control range is between 40 and 50 meters. About $57 is the price. Ganker. Most modern toys are made for one person to play with. This makes Ganker, a robot created by Oz Robotics, more valuable. This toy is made to be fun to play with friends with, and it gives you a unique chance to battle robots. The controls aren't hard to figure out, and you use a particular app on your phone to do them. To beat another player in a battle, you'll need to train. The people who make Ganker robots say that you can improve your skills by developing and customizing weapons and armor for their robots. This means that each robot can be unique. Coding lets more experienced players give the robot special commands and make it move in unique ways. It's important to note that even though the toys fight, they don't hurt each other, so you don't have to worry about damage. The robots don't hit each other. Special sensors read these touches, and that's how the game figures out who has more winning points. You will have to pay $400 for one robot. SilverLit Robo Chameleon. If your child wants a pet but isn't ready for one, you could give them a robotic animal like this one. SilverLit is a charming chameleon that can change the color of its back and crest. It also sticks out its tongue to move things or pick up unique tokens used as food. The price is around $40. Böhm Stirling Peugeot AP172. You already know that not all toys worldwide are made just for kids. Some are hard to understand and have so many tiny details that only adults can enjoy them. One of them is the car you see on your screen. This is the Böhm Stirling Peugeot AP172. This is a collectible toy version of a 1920s Peugeot Quadrillette. The toy doesn't have radio control. Instead, the designers gave the model a tiny 4-cylinder engine with a car to drive the back wheels. The Peugeot AP172 can move for up to 10 minutes before the engine needs to cool down. The screws are made of metal that will not rust. Brass is used to make the wheels, headlight bezels, and radiator grill. Aluminum is used most of the time. The fact that the car is also a building set is interesting. It is expected to take 3 hours to put together. About $480 is the price. Power treads. But let's get back to RC cars. Most of them have the same problem. They can't move very far. They can only drive on smooth surfaces. They get stuck if they run out on the bare ground or grass by accident. Power treads are an exception to this rule because they are a toy. It has excellent cross-country mobility for its size because of the way it is shaped. It moves on all surfaces and around obstacles in a playful manner. This means you can take courses with blocks for it to go through. It will cost you $30 if you buy it. AirHogs Stunt Shot. Let's end our video with a cool remote controlled car. As you can see, the Stunt Shot from AirHogs is most famous for its big soft wheels. First, they allow the vehicle to go over obstacles and get into places you wouldn't expect. And second, it doesn't hurt the people or furniture nearby. Stunt Shot doesn't leave any marks, even when it moves on soft surfaces. The toy will set you back $25. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons.